Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Instagram story style not working problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management and click on app list. Search or find out Instagram. Click on Instagram, tap on force stop and tap on OK. Tap on storage, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram. Make sure update Instagram app on your phone. Hopefully in this way Instagram Restyle not working problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.